Before you try the Temu FREE Gift, do yourself one favor, wait 30 seconds, because one small mistake at the beginning can be the difference between seeing basic offers or unlocking the better coupon bundles everyone keeps talking about. I know because I made that mistake myself. I opened Temu, started browsing, added a few products, and then looked for a coupon code. Big mistake. The rewards were average, the discounts were nothing special, and honestly, I almost gave up. Then I started comparing different coupon codes, not one or two. A bunch of them. Most looked working. Most gave tiny savings. Some barely changed anything at all. Then I tried the code on screen. And this is why I'm making this video. Instead of waiting until checkout, I activated this code before I did anything else. Before browsing, before searching, before adding products. Within minutes, the app started changing. I wasn't just seeing another coupon. I started getting bigger coupon bundles, stronger discount offers, bonus reward opportunities, and much more active free gift section. That was the first time I understood why people have completely different opinions about Temu. Some are using random codes they found online. Others are starting with a code that's actually activating better offers. Those are two completely different experiences. So if you're about to try Temu FREE Gift, don't make the same mistake I did. Don't waste your first attempt on random working codes from old videos. Start with the code on your screen. If it's going to unlock stronger coupon deals and better free gift offers, you want that advantage from the very beginning, not after you've already spent 15 minutes browsing. Now let's keep this real. Will every account see identical rewards? No. Will every promotion be the same? No. But after comparing code after code, the one on screen consistently gave me the best combination of coupon savings and free gift opportunities. And that's exactly why it's the only one I still use. Before you try any Temu FREE Gift method, activate the code on screen first. Then come back and tell me one thing. Did your app start showing better coupons and reward offers too?